Hello everyone. Today I am going to continue the same, that is regarding the moon. And today we will discuss about phases of the moon. Actually, the moon doesn't have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. When the moon passes between the earth and the sun, sunlight falls on the part turned away from us, so the moon is not visible to us. This happens on the new moon night. Every night, the illuminated part grows in size till we see the full moon, that is on Purnima day, on the 15th day. From the next day, the illuminated part decreases in size and becomes completely invisible on 15th day. This is known as new moon day. From one new moon to another, it takes roughly 30 days, and this period is called as lunar month. The different shapes of the moon are called as phases of moon. See in diagram you can see here. Here it is full moon. After that it is just decreasing in size. First waxing gibbous, then first quarter means half, then waxing crescent. It is just opposite of waxing gibbous. And after that new moon means there is no moon. And again the new moon started. It is waning crescent, then last quarter, then waning gibbous, then again full moon. So the duration of this full moon to new moon is approximately 15 days, and from again new moon to full moon approximately 15 days. So altogether it takes 30 days, and which is called as lunar month. And different shapes you can see here: waxing gibbous, first quarter, waxing crescent, waning crescent, last quarter, waning gibbous. In the same way, the increasing and decreasing of size is happening. Actually it is not changing their size, it is just like that. Whatever part is get the sunlight, that is only reflected by the moon, and we are able to see only that part. So this is called as different shapes of the moon or phases of the moon. I hope it is clear to you now what is phases of the moon. Next is the moon and the tides. Tides are basically the change in the sea level that happens due to gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, as well as rotation of the earth. So tides are basically happens because of rotation of the earth, gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. They are periodic rise and fall in water level of the ocean and other water bodies of the earth. When the water level rises high, it is called as high tides. When the water level falls, it is called as low tides. So these high tides and low tides are because of the moon. Each day there are 2 high tides and 2 low tides because of position of the earth and the sun and the moon. It takes about 6 hours for the rising water to reach high tide, and it takes another 6 hours for falling water to reach low tide. The sun and the moon and the earth are in one line during the full moon or a new moon day. Their combined gravity causes higher than normal high tides on these days. So the high tides and low tides are because of gravity of the moon, rotation of the earth and the sun. So I hope it is clear to you. In next class we will discuss some more about the moon.